If you're wondering how to offer freelance services without a personal brand, you're in the right place. The good news is you don't need a huge following or personal brand to get started as a freelancer. I'm going to walk you through a simple, proven method to land clients and grow your freelance business without ever having to worry about building a personal brand first. Stick around to the end because I've got an exclusive free trial to a software that will help you do this quickly, and I'll reveal a critical tip that will make or break your success. First off, when it comes to freelancing, you don't need to be the next big influencer. Instead, focus on your skills and use the right platforms to connect with potential clients. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer services directly to people who are already looking to hire. This means you can skip the need for a personal brand entirely and just showcase your skills through a well-crafted profile. Next, it's all about building trust. Without a personal brand, you need to establish trust with potential clients in other ways. One of the best ways to do this is through testimonials. After completing a job, ask your clients for a review. Even if you start small, a few good testimonials can give you the social proof you need to get bigger gigs. Another crucial aspect is your portfolio. Make sure you have a strong, up-to-date portfolio that showcases the work you've done, even if it's just a few pieces. You don't need a personal brand to do this, just a clean, professional presentation of what you can do. Don't forget to include any results or metrics if possible. Showing how your work made a difference will always get you noticed. Now let's talk about networking. While you don't need a personal brand, you do need to network. Reach out to potential clients on LinkedIn, participate in relevant groups, and use cold outreach where appropriate. The key here is being consistent. Don't just rely on passive job listings. Proactively go after the work you want and stay persistent. In addition, while you're using these platforms and outreach strategies, make sure to price your services appropriately. Start with competitive but fair rates and work your way up as you build your portfolio and testimonials. Pricing yourself too low can undervalue your work, while pricing yourself too high without a brand or proven results can make you less appealing. And now, here's where the exclusive free trial comes in. I've tried all the most popular software for managing freelance projects, and the software we'll be using today is hands down the best for managing your client relationships, keeping track of invoices, and organizing your projects. It will save you time and make you look more professional, all without the need for a personal brand. If you want to follow along and take advantage of this, the link to the free trial is in the description below. The key takeaway from this video is that you don't need a personal brand to offer freelance services. Instead, focus on building trust, having a great portfolio, and networking consistently. By leveraging platforms and the right tools, you can land clients and build your freelance career without worrying about building a personal brand first. To recap, here are the main points. 1. Use freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Build trust with testimonials and a professional portfolio. 3. Network actively and price your services well. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching.